What's going on, everybody? It's Cody with another video. I made the video yesterday about changing out my speaker cables with nice premium good cables, and they were 16 bucks from Amazon for a 2-pack, which you need the 2-pack for the half stack. And the sound quality now is like way better. I can't even explain it. It's like it's more expressive. It's like it's getting more power. I don't know. Anybody out there know, does using real premium good speaker cables instead of like guitar patch cables, to connect your cab to your head, does that really make a difference, or am I just like, I don't know, tripping? But anyway, let you hear it. Anyway, just wanted to show a little new riff I've been working on, and that I think those cables make a huge difference. Thanks, guys. Gonna be making a new video about why you need a noise gate if you play metal. That's gonna be next. Look for that soon. Thanks. Please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and got any questions, comments, want to know what my signal chain was for this video, just ask me, man. I'm an open book. You got questions, you want to know anything, I'll help you any way I can. Have a nice day, and keep jamming.